Hello everyone and welcome to my video. Today, I will introduce to you a brand new product. First, please check my full review in the description below of this video.
Welcome to AI BookAgents. In just a few minutes, I'll show you how anyone can create beautiful, fully illustrated books without writing a single word. Let's get started. After logging in, you'll arrive at your dashboard where all your book projects are organized in one place. From the left-hand menu, you can instantly access your book agents, DFY templates, AI prompt suggestions, training videos, bonuses, and much more. You can also manage your account anytime from the My Profile section. Now let's explore one of the most powerful features of the platform. Inside AI BookAgents, you'll find 10 specialized AI agents, each trained for a specific category of books. Emma specializes in children's storybooks. James creates professional business books. Sophia focuses on math books and puzzle books, and there are many more waiting for you. Instead of using one generic AI, you're working with experts that understand each niche. Let's begin with Emma. Click Chat Now, and you'll be taken into a simple conversational interface. There's no learning curve. Simply tell Emma what you'd like to create. Enter your book title. Choose the number of pages. Select the target age group. Pick your favorite illustration style. Choose your preferred language. And finally click Generate My Book. Emma now takes over. She writes the story, organizes every page, creates matching illustrations, formats everything automatically, and assembles a complete children's book for you. When everything is complete, simply click Download PDF to preview your finished masterpiece. Every page is professionally formatted with illustrations perfectly matched to the story. The book is immediately ready for sharing, selling, or even printing. Need to make changes? Click Edit Text. The live editor lets you modify the content, regenerate illustrations, replace images, or upload your own graphics with just a few clicks. Once you're done, simply return to the Book Agents section to start next project. Let's create one more example. This time we'll use Mia, our recipe book agent. Instead of asking educational questions, Mia asks for information that's actually relevant to recipe books. Add a title. Select the cuisine. Choose the preferred diet. Specify how many recipes we'd like. And finally, select the language. Click Generate My Book, and Mia begins creating a complete cookbook. Instead of just listing recipes, she organizes ingredients, cooking instructions, layouts, and beautiful food imagery into a professionally designed cookbook. Within minutes, another publication-ready book is created automatically. This demonstrates how each AI agent is specifically trained for its own niche, allowing you to create completely different types of books using the same simple workflow. If you don't want to start from scratch, you can use our professionally designed DFY templates. Choose from our growing collection of professionally designed templates. Simply select a template and customize it however you'd like. Every element is fully editable. Now, let's move to the AI prompt suggestions section. Enter your topic. Choose the book agent you'd like to use. Describe your goal. AI instantly generates optimized prompts designed to produce higher quality books. Simply copy your favorite prompt and paste it directly into the book agent to get started even faster. It's the perfect creativity booster whenever you're unsure what to create next. And that's how easy it is to create professional books with AI book agents. From a simple idea to a fully designed, illustrated, publication-ready book, all in just a few minutes. Thank you for watching and welcome to AI Book Agents.